obvious part I heard. So, with a microphone on my chest, hearing at my ears, what can we hear? So, apparently, we can hear the sound of my voice, but with different shape and but still, we can hear my voice. Meaning that technically, if I want to do a vocal detector with my sitting on my chest, it could be possible. So let's see. So do re mi fa sol la si do fa fa do re mi la sol. Okay. So apparently we can hear me through my flesh, my if I put a microphone on my hertz. So let's hear my hertz. Can hear the hertz. Can you hear me cough? Ok. Question. Est-ce que si je tape if I hit my brain, okay, so apparently these parts are too fleshy to transmit to the microphone side. This part here could be the microphone up here from the outside, but it seems plausible that the ball here that I'm hitting is sufficient to transmit to the microphone. Yeah, the problem is that when you hit on the boom here, it makes the same sound that you heard beating, and so that's not a good idea because you have the sound of your bird that is interfering.
I need to track something else, is does a foot that is moving is making sound? Because I would like to be able in virtual reality to track the foot state, but for example, is it moving or is it up or not? Is it possible? Let's check. Okay. So the problem is that we'll more hear the webcam moving than inside of my body. Nice. So the good news is that if I put a microphone here on the bone over there, the bone really conduct a lot the wave apparently. And so if I put here on the bone, okay, if I move this part, the foot part, I would place that is. Okay, Alexa, lumière.
D'accord.
Okay. So, okay, so if I put my microphone on my bone, apparently the connection between this foot and this one is detectable, because look at that. This, okay. Here. Look at this big shape. And when I doing that, so you will tell, yeah, but how you make the difference between me talking and the foot. First of all, the microphone need to be isolated from the outside, a minimum. But if it's not isolated anyway, you can see that here we have randomness, and here we have wave. We have binary signal. So and as soon as you have something binary, something that is not natural, so yeah, technically the bone over there is the best, huh? Because it's moving with sorry. Is it the sound of my? I think that the sound we hear is this that is doing. And that's possible because That's super fun because at one point there is a red dot that you took, and that's what my small bone that do. Yeah, it's not difficult to track this bone part. Okay, there's a line. So let's check. Not sure it's not sure if it's good news. Ah, why did I try that? Is because in my previous project, I was pushing some button, and I realized that the heat of the flesh on the wood would not make not a lot of sound, but the bone on the wood make a lot of sound. So as you can see, okay. So if I do that. What it means is that if my microphone were glue and not hold by me, I could do I could tuk, tuk, tuk on a wood on anything that is hard and make sound, make Morse code, and so detectable binary shape with my foot, just by tick, tick, tick. And the cool part of that, it means that you just need to put here or here microphone, and your foot become shock sensitive. So you can do absolument que j'achète des petits microphones pas trop chers et que je fasse le test de me foutre un câble dans le dos qui envoie 2 microphones sur les jambes, un microphone sur les cœurs et un microphone là. Et ça doit être marrant. Tout ça pour dire. En espérant que vous appréciez la vidéo. Donc, basiquement, la vidéo, c'est juste moi qui voulais voir. Sorry. In hope that you like the video. This video was just me trying to see if it's possible to track body sound with a classic webcam, and if I can, I will try to buy a small sensitive webcam, and if I can, buy a stethoscope and a small sensitive to see if we can hear the muscle, because for the body parts, the bone, as you can see in this video, are moving a lot the sound, so you can track some very binary wavy in the stuff. But as you can see, when it's about this sound, it's more shapy, it's more it's more volume, shape, and that part I think that we can track the I really want, it's not that I would like to check it, I would like to the microphone to track those micro sound movements of the muscle. I know it's not working. Yeah, I know it won't work, but it would be so cool to be able to track the muscle based on the sound. But anyway, this video was just to check if I can use the microphone and have something for me for later when I want to code this part. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Have a good day. May the code be with you. See you on the next video.